Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by picking a responsive website template in Canva so you have structure. This saves time. Once done, upload your logo, fonts, and 3-6 high-quality images, and set brand color hex codes so everything stays consistent. Next, switch to grid or layout view and apply a 12-column grid or 16:9 ratio with a 0. 5 or 1/2 gutter for spacing. This ensures alignment and predictable responsive behavior as you build sections. Now you assemble the core pages. Design a clear header with logo, navigation, and a prominent CTA. Choose fixed or sticky so users access it easily. Then build a hero with a headline and supporting subhead, followed by feature blocks and testimonials. Use consistent spacing and typographic hierarchy to guide the eye. After that, wire up interactions. Set button actions, anchors for smooth scrolling, and add a contact form with required fields so visitors can reach you without friction. To finish, preview the site across desktop, tablet, and mobile, and then tweak font sizes and margins so text remains readable. Responsive adjustments fix most layout issues. Next, add SEO basics. Set a meta title and description, write alt text for images, and create friendly URLs so search engines understand your pages. Finally, publish to a custom domain with SSL, test forms, and load times. If something breaks, clear cache and check for overlapping elements or missing assets as the first troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.